Professional installers, we're showcasing the must-have companion for your installations, Big Box by HDANYWHERE. What is Big Box? Well, exactly that. A big box of 25 of our famous 4K HDMI cables. Here are 4 quick points you need to know. 1. The cables in big boxes are SlimWire Max, our premium 18 gig 4K HDMI cables, in lengths from 25 centimeters to 5 meters. Slim and stylish with stunning clarity and reliability. Perfect for dressing racks and getting into tight spaces. 2. Big Box is easy to transport. Keep your van tidy and make it easier to get your cable stock in and out of it. 3. Big Box is more professional on site. Looks good in front of your customers and makes you that bit more efficient because it keeps your stock tidy and is easier to move around when you need to get it from location to location on site. 4. Big Box means better stock control. Your cables aren't lying around all over the place, and we've made a space on the box for you to record your cable usage. Easier to know exactly what to charge your customer, easier to know when to reorder. So, why choose HDANYWHERE 18 gig SlimWire Max Big Box? 5-year warranty, we make great cables and we stand by that. Flexible cable lengths from 0.25 meters to 5 meters. Choose the perfect length for diverse applications. And a proven track record. Trust in a brand that has sold over 500,000 cables since 2006. We're globally recognized and relied upon in our industry. Upgrade your installations with HDANYWHERE SlimWire Max 18 gig big boxes, the installer's compact companion. Trust our quality, embrace convenience, and elevate your AV installations. Visit HDANYWHERE.com to learn more.